Hello, Higa.
Hello mga higala!
Hello, Higa.
We're going to Macro!
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me.
The next day.
Hello! Good morning mga higala! Kahapon mga higala is galing kami sa Macro. So yun, tingin kami ng mga gamit para sa shop. Tapos, pagkatapos namin doon, dumaan kami para kumain. So, yun lang, ginawa namin kahapon. So, today mga higala is ako ang nagluluto ng lunch. See? Nag-fried ako. Fried lang naman mga higala. Kaya ako nagluluto. Tapos, maglawoy ko. Kaya tugnaw karon. So, maglawoy muna kami mga higala. Buti na lang yung hobby ko is kumakain ng lawoy. Alam niyo yung anong lawoy mga higala? Ito yung ilalawoy ko. So, yan lang mga higala. Matagal na naman kami nagising today. Kasi nga, ang lamig-lamig dito. Magising kasi kami mga higala pag walang trabaho. Yung hobby ko is 10, 11, so ganun. Buti na lang mga higala is hindi maarte yung hobby ko mga higala, no? Kaya wala talagang kung problema talk about pagkain. So, ito mga higala, tinatamad yung hobby ko. Tignan niyo. Tinatamad siya kasi nga malamig talaga dito mga higala. Ako ang nagluluto today mga higala para naman maiba, 'di ba? Kasi palagi na lang si Habi ang magluluto. Nakakahiya na, 'di ba? Walang rice kami mga higala. Ano lang, lawoy tapos isdang pinirito. 'Yun lang ang kakainin namin.
Boy, the one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again.
So naglaba ako galing mga higala. Kapagod. So 'yun, nagsampay na ako. 'Yun. Tignan yung damit namin, puro black. Katatapos ko lang nagsampay mga higala. Para maiba naman mga higala, ano. Palagi na lang yung hobby ko nasa kusina. So yun, ako yung naglalaba, ako nagluluto today. Tapos siya, nag-cycling siya. Nag-iisa, ayok. Wala ko sa mood mag-cycling.
What's up, guys?
What's up?
We are here.
What's up, mga higala?
We try to tell a story, okay? A story of how we met. And it was very simple, okay? No rocket science. Sherry May had a friend that was working with her. I was chatting to the friend for about a month or so, until such time as this madam took a photograph of her and her friend, because she was sleeping over at the friend's place in the room that night. They sent me the photograph, and when I saw the photograph, it stopped my heart, almost. Wow! And I went, ooh, I'd like to meet this person, okay? But I didn't know how, I didn't have a telephone number, I had nothing. Going down the line, she used to see me on little video chats that I was doing with her friend, and a friend of mine was sitting in my VW transporter. His name was Ryan, and what transpired was that I got the telephone number, her telephone number, because under the pretense that I wanted to give it to Ryan, but I didn't really want to give it to Ryan, I wanted the telephone number. Once you load it, IMO or emo comes up, and about a week later, I sent her a little emoticon. To see if Madam would respond.
Yeah.
Madam responded.
Oh, nag-reply ako.
You can now carry
So
on.
yun na nag-start yung ano namin.
Sana all.
Yung chat-chat. So long distance relationship kami. How many months yun man?
7 months.
Yeah, 7 months. And then, nag-meet kami. Umuwi ako sa Pinas. Di ko tinapos yung kontrata ko mga higala ng 4 years. So, umuwi ako 3 years pa lang ako sa Dubai.
And just coming there, it was the longest 7 months, I think, of our lives. For me, it was difficult because I had never had.
Pero sa akin, okay lang. 1 year, 2 years, hindi kami magkita.
To have a long distance relationship is tough. It's really
Pero siya,
tough.
hindi niya mapigilan yung gugma niya mga higala ba. Gusto niya talaga niya ako makita.
And then she told me I had to wait for her for like another year or something crazy for her to finish a contract. And I was like, okay. But in my heart, I was like, this doesn't work for me. Who's going to sit for a year talking, looking at the telephone or talking, or you can only talk on video calls so much, okay? Otherwise, it doesn't work. It really doesn't work. But you have to have faith. I think you have to have tremendous trust and love for a long distance relationship to work.
Pag meet talaga namin mga higala, agad-agad kami nagpakasal. First meet, and then we get married.
But I sent a wedding proposal on Facebook. I sent a wedding proposal on Facebook, and I waited for the response, and she said yes.
Yeah, kasi sobrang bait ko mga higala eh. Tapos matanda na ako mga higala. Kasi nga, pinapangarap ko na 30 years old, makaano na ako, married na ako ba? So yun, dumating siya, tapos ang bait-bait niya, hindi yun.
I don't know where you are with this, but she cut her contract short, which was supposed to only go in the next year, July of 2020, but by October of 2019, she arrived back in the Philippines. 20 days later, no, I lie. 15 days later,
Yeah.
I landed in the
Yeah,
Philippines.
sumunod siya sa akin.
Okay.
Tapos daw na, nagplan kami na magpakasal.
I arrived in 20th of October.
October.
21st of October.
Yeah.
And you were in Manila waiting for me.
Yeah, bumalik ako sa Manila kasi nga taga Leyte. So yun.
She came up to Manila for the only reason that she was scared that when I got off the aeroplane, all those Pinays would be like, So, no, it was, on a serious note, it was good because you fly into Manila. Yes, it's a English-speaking country,
Yeah.
but you're a foreigner. It's a crazy city. It's a beautiful city. I love Manila very much. But I needed a Pinay next to me to more or less see where we were going. However, having said that, she was more of a tourist in Manila than what I was, okay?
Wala talaga akong kalam-alam sa Manila, mga higala. Hanggang province lang ako ba?
Because it took Manila for about a week. And to get around Manila, we had to do things like visas and all the rest of it, coming back to South Africa. So we were under pressure before we were going to go down to Southern Leyte and into the province. And we had to get around Manila. And as soon as I figured out you could use Grab, Grab is fantastic. It's an easy way of getting around, and that is how I figured out how Manila works. Because as soon as you've got a mode of transport, you've got wheels under you, it was easy to get to the South African or the VFF center to do visas, etc., etc. Okay, and then my first Filipino friend that I met was Jonah.
Jonah is my cousin, mga higala.
We still went for supper at a really nice restaurant in the Mall of Manila.
Yeah, Mall of Asia, mga higala.
From Manila, we flew to Tacloban. Then we went on a 3-hour drive. It felt like it was a never-ending journey from Tacloban all the way down to Sogod. But the meal in Sogod was so delicious. It was worth the trip down to Sogod because the meal was delicious. Okay, and the coffee. Wow. Oh, I waited 3 hours to drink 2 cups of coffee.
Bago kami umuwi sa province ko, mga higala, nag-process pa siya sa papers ko, mga higala, for my visa. Iya, mahal.
Yeah.
Process niya, madali lang naman.
But that's before we left Manila.
Yeah, nag-process siya before. Kasi nga, hintayin pa week yata,
Yeah.
weeks. Yeah, ipa-busy lang yung approval. Yeah. Then yun. And then, yun na, nagplan na kami sa wedding namin. November 18, mga higala. Tapos,
December the 11th, we arrived back in South Africa.
Yeah.
Having said that, the stay in the Philippines, which was almost 7 weeks, it was 7 weeks, I enjoyed it very much. I enjoy the province and I enjoy the part of the world where Sherry May is from, and I had a great time. I met so many Filipino people in that time period that I was there, that it felt like home. It really felt like home. And I used to disappear at night time and like go and walk down where they used to play pool. Madam used to come look for me, okay?
Palagi akong nag-aalala sa kanya mga higala kasi nga gabi na hindi pa umuwi. Ay naku, naglakad-lakad pa mga higala sa kalsada, di ko alam kung saan siya pupunta. Tapos kahit hindi niya kilala yung mga tao, mga higala, talking, you know. Gusto niya talaga sa Pinas mga higala. Ano siya? Hindi siya gaya ng ibang foreigner ba mga higala na overacting yung mga OE ba, mga ganun, hindi makipag-usap sa mga Pinoy, mga Pinay, gaya natin, no, siya, hindi, iba siya, talagang makipag-usap talaga, pag may magtawag sa kanya, oh Brian, drink this, okay, inom siya mga higala, tapos kakain din siya, walang arty-arty, ganun. Kaya nga gusto ko to, walang problema ba, makijump talaga siya mga higala sa kagaya natin, gusto niya life doon.
Of course, what I also enjoyed was every morning I would go walking, and with my walks in the morning, I would meet many different Filipino people. The one guy used to call me Dutch Brian because he wanted to know where was I, forefathers from. So every morning he would go, good morning Dutch Brian. And yes, things like finding the little eatery in Libagon. I used to go there in the morning to go and eat pancit canton. Oh, they made the best pancit canton. And the nice thing was it was a cup of coffee and it was the pancit canton, which was a small amount of food. And I think I paid 35 pesos every morning. Not every morning because I didn't go every morning, but it was nice. It was next to Sogod Bay and I enjoyed it. It was quiet time for me. Of course, we digress slightly here and we've told you a little bit more my enthusiasm because of the Philippines, because I love the Philippines and I love the people. It's really the reason for going to the Philippines. One was Sherry was going back home from Dubai, the contract was over. But most important was that for us to meet and to get married.
Yeah, and we love each other.
Sana all!
So, yung picture namin, first mate, and this is the picture that are ready. And this is our daughter. Close sila, close, mga higala, close. Ito po mga picture, mga higala, LDR, LDR, LDR. Wow! That's all, mga higala. Goodbye, mga higala.
Goodbye, Mahigala.